Hello, the lovers of realistic miniatures, a dollhouse with your favorite princesses. There are so many beautiful things here. Let's see how it's done. Collect a beautiful corner. For a soft crib, cover the blank with Syntapon. On top with pink fur. Carefully bend and glue the upholstery edges. On a wide tube, wrap layers of mother-of-pearl tape and cut off 4 legs. Fasten the legs and decor, add white braid, and the crib is ready. Collect a pillow made of blue fur and Syntapon. Glue it carefully. Decorate with filigree lace, rhinestones, pearls, and put on the crib. The Snow White pillow is decorated with a heart and stripes of pink lace. Divide the narrow strips into parts and assemble them into a golden ladder. On the upper tier of the crib, attach high mother-of-pearl legs and a ladder. Decorate the mattress with rhinestones and braid. Put the top coat, put the pillows, and the beds are ready. From thin foam and gold corrugated cardboard, assemble a cabinet. Decorate the blank photo with Rapunzel. Cut the part into 2 parts. Carefully glue the doors. Attach the handles and sparkling decor to them. Nice locker, isn't it? Glue a doll-shaped table in a lilac pink color scheme. Put it near the cabinet. Make out the rhinestones and fasten the gold shelf. From foam paper, assemble a miniature cabinet with crystal handles. Attach it to the wall. The stripe of tulle is decorated with a gold braid with sequins. From a piece of foam paper, roll up the lampshade. Glue the finished decor. On top, there is a flower. The beads are strung on a wire and attached to a stand. Put on a lampshade. Well done! The mirror hanger is made of glued strips and 2 pink shelves, decorated with rhinestones. Decorate it with a flower. From a piece of wire and beads, collect hooks and glue them to the wall. Great! We have a new back shopper made of foam paper, and of course, photos of Rapunzel and Esmeralda. On the table, put your favorite books, a cute box with a photo of Rapunzel and a palette inside. On the shelf, place miniature bottles of perfume and earrings. On the table, there are colorful pencils and a monitor, a keyboard, and a phone. On the pink shelves, put the pretty doll shoes, sandals, and boots. Then hang a necklace on a hook. On the crosspiece, attach the legs, beads, and a pink cylinder. Between the squares of foam paper, place a wire and glue it together, forming a seat. Put it on the base, decorate it, and we have a wonderful chair. Add a pink handbag and a sparkling lilac rug with lace. Barbie's room is so pretty. Fashionable shoes, a real work area, an elegant floor lamp. The doll's room has beautiful furniture, a table, shelves, lockers, and cots. Miniature things are very realistic. A delicate pink and purple palette, a lot of glitter and glamorous jewelry. Everything for our Barbie.